Square Hotel. He said, make more rooms for me. You know, when God speaks, He speaks in parable. So it is now your responsibility to really decode or to get spiritual interpretation to what God says. Now, instant intervention service is one of the rules. And because it is God that has called for it, that is why there must be testimonies in the individual's life, especially those whose hearts are open to this program. You know, you have it at the back of your mind that it's not just one of those programs. You believe, Lord, I need an encounter, and that encounter must be instant. Tonight is your night in Jesus' name.